Hi folks, and welcome to another Dazzle Rebel Rides. This is Wanderlust Wednesday. Although it may be Wanderlust Wednesday when you're watching this is actually right now when I'm riding quite early on a Sunday morning. In fact, it's probably the earliest I've seen on Sunday morning for a very long time. Basically, I've got to get up and get to the East of England Showground in Peterborough before 8 AM. The reason I'm doing this is I'm giving up my Sunday to go and help man the Indian Motorcycle stand at the MCN Festival of Motorcycling. But in return for giving up my Sunday, I'm getting to watch some very exciting flat track motorcycle racing, as you'll see in a minute. I don't really know what sort of vlog this is going to turn into, so what I'm going to do right now is switch to a voiceover. So this is the Indian motorcycle display at the MCN Festival of Motorcycling. The stand was right next to the racetrack where the Crazy Horse Hooligan Scouts were to take a second and a first over the weekend. The very same weekend that the FTR750s locked out 1st to 7th places in the AMA Flat Track Series. That is impressive. Speaking of the FTR750, this was the first time the bike was on display in the UK. But that's not all. Not only was it on display, but AMA Pro Johnny Lewis and former BSB champion Chris Walker treated the crowds to a few flying demo laps. Not only that, but Crazy Horse Hooligan rider Leah Tokelove also got the awesome opportunity to put some laps on the thoroughbred race bike. Want to see some highlights? I bet you do. Here we go.
Third place, number 11, Gary Birtwistle. From the back row. From the back row. That was a good ride. Well done, Gary.
You got on, Gary.
Second place in the hooligan class was, again, been riding all day long, number 36, Grant Martin. And before we award that hooligan first place, I'm also going to say that Grant's our Forever Two Wheels rider of the day as well, because just for how many classes he's ridden all weekend, every single class. So you're going to get rookie. You're a Forever Two Wheels rider of the day as well. Yeah! Well done, Grant. And then, so winning the hooligans, really great riding today, so quick out the gate. Number 152, Lee KP. Bring it in the middle a bit. There we go, we're good.
And that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. I'm on my way home now, as you can probably see. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment to your heart's content, and I'll see you next time on Dazzle Rebel Rides. Remember, if you like to ride, be sure to subscribe.